Hey guys, I welcome you again in this another tutorial video, and this way I will help you to know that how you can increase your Instagram followers. And guys, it's just a trick so you can impress your friends. You can take the screenshot, you can put the DP, you can put your status, you can increase your followers to like 1k to like 1 million and 1 billion, whatever you want, and you can put your DP status to impress your friends. So let's start. But for those who don't know me or new here, hey guys, I'm Ujjwal and I make these amazing videos for you guys. So if you're interested in those stuff, then please consider subscribing. Now I hope you are doing it and ready to know this. So guys, to get a lot of follower, all you need to do, you need to go in your Chrome and you have to search for Instagram and hit enter, and then you have to log into your Instagram. In my case, my Instagram is already logged in, so I'll reach to my account, but you can just log into your Instagram and then you can go ahead and click on this icon where it says profile. Just click on your profile, and here you can see your profile that says the number of posts, followers and following. This is my new account actually. So in the followers, you have to go ahead and click on and just do the right click. You'll see something called inspect. The shortcut key is Control Shift I. Then click on this something called inspect. You'll reach somewhere here that says the title is 65 and the number is 65. Just go ahead and left the title as it is, but here you can go ahead and assume you want 100k followers or 110k. Just write 110 and then k and hit enter. When you reach, then you can have this much of followers. You can go ahead and take this screenshot. You can post anywhere you want. You can impress your friends by saying, look, I got 110k followers. Or you can go ahead and make it a million. You can impress your girlfriend, you can impress your parents, but make sure they don't caught you. And you can say 1 million and you can impress your girlfriend, look, I got a million follower. So this is the use of it. It's just for fun guys. So have a good day, see you in the next vid. Bye bye.